What is love? This is the most important question you'll ever ask yourself. Maybe you know it when you see it and feel it, but is love just a feeling then and nothing more, something you fall in and out of? My own definition has two parts. When you care more about the other person than you do yourself. If I stopped right there, that's the definition of abuse. There's a second part. When the other person also cares more about you than themselves. Caring isn't a feeling, it's an action. It's things you do to make the other person healthy and happy. What if you don't care about yourself all that much? Can you still love? If you don't know how to love yourself, how to make yourself happy and healthy, can you love others? Can others love you even if you don't love yourself? This is the most important question that only you can answer for yourself. It's a fact, whatever you're doing right now is less important than coming up with your answer.